just got into the hotel room right now. It's about 12:30 at night and we're pretty tired. I was hoping if we got in earlier we could have gone out to dinner or done a little something. So yeah, we're just gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow we have a full day of busyness and yeah. Take it in, my little poops. So this is my breakfast. I'm just having some eggs with Parmesan cheese and asparagus and some coffee. I still have my say hey girl. Hi. I still have my massage face on, but we are having lunch here in this awesome suite. Let me show you guys. Doing room tour, come with the room. The best. I know, how did I just miss?
We're like, the bedroom's like meh. Or like the big ass bathroom or anything.
Okay, yeah, closet goals. Wow. We just ordered some room service, and of course I forgot to vlog before we even ate it, but this is grilled avocado with feta cheese and cilantro, and it is amazing.
So good.
And also some broccolini and an iced coffee. And we ordered heavy cream and they sent this, so yeah.
That's why I ate it.
So we've basically been getting ready and chilling all day long. And now we're on our way to the event. Okay, so I had some champagne and a martini. But what's really special about this trip that I haven't mentioned yet is that I'm here with Marissa. Marissa is one of my closest friends, and she's actually the person who got me into fitness and actually started working out with me years and years ago, probably my first time ever being in the gym. She inspires me so much. Sometimes she almost feels like a mentor to me, but she's really helped me to not feel afraid when you're trying something new in an effort to better yourself. She's been a huge part of my journey, and I'm really thankful to have her as a friend. What's up, guys? I just wrapped up the shoot with Urban Decay. We made a really cool video. I can't tell you guys exactly what it is, but I am just so pooped. Only thing I had some eggs this morning, and I'm like so tired right now that I'm like not even hungry. Took Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday off. 4 days off from the gym. 4 days off. 4 days off from the gym this week. So I gotta get in the gym tomorrow, and I do think I want to weigh myself on Sunday because I've given myself a sufficient amount of time, and no matter what, I feel like my mind is strong because instead of being focused on outcomes, I am focused on progress, which is way more important. So yeah, I am gonna be weighing myself in on Sunday, so that incentivizes me to, you know, try and stay in a calorie deficit. Don't eat to the point where I feel full, but you know, at the same time, I don't want to deprive myself either. I think that's not cool. So yeah, I am driving home right now from the shoot. I'm like, why do I miss Gremlin so much? Like, I literally was only without her for a few hours today, but I'm just excited to get home, chill with Gremlin, and get a good night's rest tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. So I just made this breakfast. We have 2 eggs. I actually meant to do egg whites to cut down on the calories, but I be forgetting. So I have 2 eggs, probably about maybe 2 cups of spinach, some baby Bella mushrooms, and I did put some Swiss cheese, pepper, and garlic salt on there, and I'm about to just, I don't know, I'm about to eat this. What's up, guys? I am back on my way to the gym. As far as like counting calories and stuff and my macros, I've been using this new app called the Carb Manager, and I feel like it's really helpful because it shows you net carbs, which is super helpful. It just gives you more info than MyFitnessPal. On MyFitnessPal, you're kind of like left to figure it out on your own. It's been kind of hard to count though, because with like eating out and traveling, it's harder to kind of guesstimate where you're at, but I've been kind of just like doing like a general idea. I'm not sure what the weigh-in is gonna be like, but I feel like if I put it off another week, then it won't be good, because it's like, if it's showing me that it's not moving that much after 2 weeks, I feel like that's a good indicator of like, okay, you need to change something. You need to, I don't know, just evaluate what I'm doing. So I definitely have to weigh in Sunday, even though I have the little scale scare going on. No matter what, it's like I have to look at it to see, you know, where I need to adjust, if at all. There's something that we need to recognize for this vlog series, is that I haven't cried once. Just kidding. I don't know why, I need to point that out. I don't need love no more. Sorry, I've been kind of MIA this week. I feel like I haven't spent too much time talking to the camera. Yeah, it's kind of weird because I've been basically doing intuitive eating. I've been sticking to it. I've been checking if I'm in ketosis, and I mean, everything's been on track, but like mentally, I have like no idea where I'm at. I guess because I haven't weighed in and I'm kind of nervous about my weigh-in tomorrow. I forgot to mention that my trainer is actually out of town. He had to go to Africa for a family emergency, so he's gonna be gone until like next week, and then I'm gonna be gone for 10 days traveling. I'm going to France and Ibiza, so it's gonna be a long gap. I'm hella cranky today, and I talked to a few of my friends. Seems like it's going around. Is there some Mercury retrograde that we can blame on our moodiness? Tomorrow's the weigh-in, guys. Tomorrow is the weigh-in. Honestly, I feel the same. Like, my clothes are fitting the same. I feel the same. And yeah, well, I don't know. So I really did not know what to expect when I got on the scale. Gremlin. I thought it was, honestly, I thought there was a chance it would say like 200 pounds still, but I really had like no idea. And then it said 93.5, which I'm really, really happy about, because it means I'm losing weight and I'm doing something right. So that brings my total weight loss in 7 weeks to just under 20 pounds. I'm really happy. I'm sure if I would have done A, B, and C differently, I could be losing it faster, but I'm doing it at my own pace, and I'm still like getting to live my life. I have to admit, I had that feeling of like wanting to binge. You know, I was like, man, the scale, I probably haven't lost weight. I was like, I'm gonna do this weigh-in, see where it's at, edit the vlog, and then like maybe binge tonight and just, you know, start over tomorrow. I feel like I've had like lots of urges to binge this week, like thinking about like oh, when I get the time, I'm gonna do it. But I feel like making progress and knowing that like I am losing weight, doing it the healthy way, it totally steers me in the opposite direction. Like right now I'm like, oh my gosh, you're doing good. It makes me want to keep doing good. Eventually I want to learn to, you know, be able to see the scale not go down and not want to binge, but right now this is where I'm at in my journey. You know, something that I haven't talked about really in this vlog series yet, which is super important, is the non-physical changes, my non-physical goals. I feel like I talk a lot about my appearance and my weight and the number on the scale, and I haven't really talked enough about feeling good and being healthy, because that's the main goal. That's even more important than looking good, is feeling good. If you look good, you feel like shit, then what's the point? My goal is to be healthy and be strong and feel confident, and I feel myself slowly getting more and more confident throughout this journey. I'm sorry I've been a little absent this week. Next week is insane, but I will bring you guys along with me 100%. I'm gonna try and show more of what I eat. To be honest, I felt a little bit hesitant about showing what I eat because I wasn't sure if what I was doing was effective or not. Next week, I will show more of what I'm eating again. I'm just gonna keep doing what I've been doing, which is a good feeling, instead of feeling confused and adjusting and not knowing what the hell I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna keep pushing. Make sure you tune in next week. Next week is gonna be crazy. Just want to say also thank you guys so much for coming with me on this journey. I see all of your comments and all of your messages, and it means so much to me. And make sure you stay tuned because we are making progress, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next Monday.